main thing that we believe about this film. We are very happy with the way the film has turned out, and we are kind of pegging most of our promotion on the creative strength of the film. So the promos that you see is what we are really concentrating on. And when like just as an example, normally we give out full songs in all our films. This time we've only cut 30-second promos of the songs, and the purpose behind that is that we feel that we would like the audience to enjoy the song in its full glory for the first time when they watch the film on 20th of December. If I see a song 20 times, it's come again in the film. When I'm watching the film, I may not really be as interested in it. We don't want that feeling. When you're watching the film, we want you to be totally engrossed, even in the songs. So, for example, that's one of the things we did. But the essence of what we're doing is we are kind of allowing the creative material to talk for itself. And importantly, I think we're trying to respect the intelligence of the audience. I think the audience is a very intelligent audience. They know what they want, what they don't want. We don't have to go out there screaming to them, you know. We should trust them and trust their intelligence. मैं actually यशराज से घर लौट रहा था एक दिन गाड़ी में, और सलमान का कुछ टेक्स्ट आया, तो मैंने उसको दोबारा टेक्स्ट किया. मैंने बोला, यार मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है, मैं टोपी भेज रहा हूँ मेरी, तो किसी इवेंट में पहन लेना, थोड़ी हमारी हेल्प हो जाएगी. तो उसने बोला टोपी भेज दे. अब मुझे अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि वो इवेंट में नहीं, वो बिग बॉस पे पहनने वाला है. I had no idea that he's going to do that. I think that shows his generosity of spirit and his warmth and love for me. कि धूम 3 उसकी फिल्म नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है हमें हमारी मदद करने की, to promote the film, and I love him for that. I love him for that.
इनसे पूछिए, ये तो किरदार लिखते हैं, कहानी लिखते हैं. मज़ा बहुत आया, लेकिन भगाया बहुत इन्होंने, लेकिन मज़ा बहुत आया. इनके साथ काम करके मज़ा बहुत आया, और यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि 20 तारीख को जब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो, हमारे जितने भी दर्शक हैं, प्रशंसक हैं, उन्हें भी फिल्म पसंद आए. मेरा मानना है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, कि धूम 3 मुझे धूम 1 और धूम 2 से अलग लगता है. इसमें जज्बात बहुत हैं जो पिछले 2 धूम में शायद इतने नहीं थे, लेकिन इस बार मैं गारंटी से ये कह सकता हूँ कि आप लोग को फिल्म बहुत पसंद आएगी.
आई थिंक अभिषेक इसका आंसर देगा.
जी, धूम हो तो अच्छी बात है, और ना हो तो इसका जवाब नहीं दे पाऊंगा, क्योंकि हमेशा से मेरी ज़िंदगी में धूम 1, धूम 2, अभी धूम 3 रही है, तो धूम तो हमेशा मची है मेरे जीवन में.
No, I've actually had not that many scenes in the movie with them, but we had a lot of fun out of the shooting experience. We had Amir used to host a lot of parties, especially when we were shooting in Chicago, and we would all join in those parties. I didn't see Katrina there.
Uday, you used to come for those parties?
I came for one.
Amir, I don't remember him anyway.
I came
He
for
used
one.
to go to his room and sleep.
And we used to
Then
try
you and I used to go and knock on his door. Don't you remember?
Yeah, so you never came, Uday.
So that's how it was.
दरअसल जब तक राधिया आई थी तब तक आज़ाद निकल चुके थे किरण के साथ, तो वो मिल नहीं पाए उस वक्त. बट मुझे मौका मिला था. That was the first time I met Radhya, and she's a really sweet, lovely girl.
Actually, he got Bipasha in part 2.
He called me back, so
Yeah,
technically
exactly.
I did. Yeah,
left
but
her.
the idea is that if I get somebody, then there's no more left to get. So I guess that's how we keep it for Ali, you know, so that he always has somebody to get in part 4, part 5, and so on.
Maybe weeks ago, I think it had also come in the media. All of us were at Karan's house. We were just having a dinner or an evening out. And Karina was talking about going on the show, and she told me that I'm going to, purposely say these things, and I'm going to pull everyone's leg. And she said, do you mind? I said, I have no problems with it. I thought it was very funny. And everyone keeps asking me. Apparently, Karina says if she has to kiss somebody, it's going to be me. So that was the bigger shock. I don't know about the marriage part, but for me, the bigger shock was the romance between me and Karina, which is yet to come.
जब ये सब हैं और आप सब लोग हैं तो काफ़ी धूम है, और उम्मीद ये है कि कुछ ना कुछ धूम हमेशा मचती रहेगी रेगुलर इंटरवल्स में.
धूम नहीं है तो फिर मज़ा नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. थोड़ी बहुत मस्ती धूम होना चाहिए हर आदमी की ज़िंदगी में, और धूम है तो
मेरे लिए धूम कुछ और मायने रखती हैं. जब धूम है तो मैं एक्टर हूँ, जब धूम नहीं है तो मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ.
If there's no Dhoom, I don't have the answer for that. But if there's Dhoom, for me, the meaning of Dhoom is dance. And that's what this film has been for me, and I've loved it, and it's been the most amazing experience to be able to do these kind of songs.